just getting off the strip here. Pulling up to the Bellagio. There's the welcome sign here. There's the tunnel. Here's the hotel. And there are the fountains right there.
I know for sure.
We're over here at the car park. Taxis, Ubers, and limos. Greeted by...
Hi, how are you?
Good, and yourself? I was drawing blanks. What are those? What are they called? Oh my gosh. Just leave it in the comments. Bellagio, folks. Check it out. Bellboys. Got it. She's getting kicked out. Wonder what happened there. Here's the lobby. Front desks, check-ins. Nice flowers. Sorry. Got the guest elevators there. Here's some of the casinos. This is cool. Look at how decorated all of this is. So it's the Nutcracker. Okay, cool. And now we've got the shopping sections. There's the other side of the fountain, so it would be the opposite side. So we have got the Baccarat bar. I've been there a few times in the past. All the slots. Here's the tables here. The poker room, I think, is over here. The guest elevators just on the other side of the casinos there. I'm going to talk loud. We're coming towards the wedding chapel here at the Bellagio. If you're gonna get married here, either planned or unexpectedly, go gelato shop. Come on. Look at this, look at this. Look at the garden. Look at the garden. Okay. Get your ticket sales for all the shows, icons at Bellagio. And then the pools are right out of here. So here's some more shops here at the Bellagio. Now we're heading over towards Caesars. Well, all right, folks, we're on the other side now. See you next time.